Hello and welcome to Ballistic Coalition. So today we're going to be working on a bulletproof plate that I have been testing a few times now. It's made up of 3 different materials. 3/8 thick aluminum plate. We have high density plastic that I screwed together from the back. As you can see, I drilled holes and I tapered them out so the screws sit nice and flush. I ground the screws down that poke through a little bit so my tile will sit flush. Onto the tile we have some 3/8 thick ceramic tile that I just had lying around my house. I kind of gathered all these materials from work and just scraps lying around. I'm a welder fabricator. So pretty much we're just going to put these on there with this Gorilla Glue found at Home Depot, Lowe's. It's just heavy duty construction adhesive and it's multiple surface, waterproof, flexible, and you just need a caulk gun and that's pretty much it. I'm going to use this steel plate here to sandwich everything together once we're all done. So we're gonna have to wipe everything off now. You wanna make sure that your plate's clean, your tiles are clean, it's dust free, so you get a good bond, good adhesion in between your 2 materials. You wanna get both sides of it because we're gonna be wrapping this with a tape to hold the tile in there so it's multi-hit rated. So we're back. We're going to be gluing the plate, the ceramic plates down to the plastic. So we finished this up with spreading everything off. We evenly coated it now. All the pieces have a good coverage on it. Back side of the tile, the front face of your plate, all coated. Now we're going to start with the center piece and work our way out. Applying pressure, making sure that those tiles really press in there. Our finished product. We're gonna go and sandwich this all together now with that steel plate, and it's got to cure 48 hours. And I pretty much cut all these plates and everything to save us time on this video. I didn't want to have a 30-minute long video here, probably even an hour long if I showed you everything that I had to cut and drill. And we'll be back to tape everything together in 48 hours. Hello and welcome back. So 48 hours later, after putting this plate together, gluing it and everything, the materials being aluminum, high density polyethylene plastic plate, and we have ceramic tiles just down around. Cut it with a 6-inch angle grinder, and it is a diamond blade multi-material, steel, ceramic, whatever. Pick that up at your local hardware store. 3M repair tape, clear. I selected clear just so CRS Firearms is able to see exactly what happens to this plate when it's shot. Next, you're going to need a 3/16 drill bit, the chamfering tool, and that's pretty much it. I cut everything with that grinder. I drilled my holes, I chamfered it for my screws to sit flush on my back side. So now here we are, plates ready to be sent out pretty much. Taped and painted the front face for reference marks. That way he's able to know exactly, say he's aiming center and he hits low, then he's able to aim a little bit higher. He's got some reference points on the plate to aim for. You don't have to do that. You could use any tape that you want that's just holding the ceramic together and on the plate. That way it doesn't fall apart after the first shot, makes it multi-hit rated. And that's pretty much it for today. It's ready to be sent out to CRS Firearms. Thank you.